Hi friends, we will try to find out what is the value of square root of 11 minus 4 root 7. So at first, I will try to split 11 into 7 plus 4 because 7 plus 4 is 11 minus 4 root 7. In the second step, I will try to write down this is like 7 minus 4 root 7 plus 4. So I'm writing 4 at the end and 7 in the beginning. And then I want to write that down as 7 is root 7 square and 4 is 2 square. And in the middle, if I put it down 2 times root 7 times 2, then we can see like root 7 square is 7. So that is right here. 2 square is 4, which is here. 2 times root 7 times 2 is 4 root 7, which is here. I'm trying to get that as a complete square. Now we do know if it is a square minus 2ab plus b square, then I can work that out as a minus b whole square. So I'll write now this down as this is going to be root 7 minus 2 whole square. Now square root and square will cancel each other. So our final answer is going to be root 7 minus 2. This is the answer of our question. Thank you guys.